Hi everyone, in this video we are going to revise lesson 1-2. In this lesson we will use models and ratio reasoning to understand how a proportional relationship can exist between quantities. A salad dressing calls for 3 parts of oil and 1 part of vinegar. Manuela uses 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 6 tablespoons of oil to make her salad dressing. We will write the ratios first. You have to keep one thing in mind. The first one is oil to vinegar. The second one is vinegar to oil. So don't mix up with it. You have to write oil with oil and vinegar with vinegar. Now 3:1 are already in the simplest form. But if you look at 6 and 2, both of them are divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3 and 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So this is 3:1, 3:1, both ratios are same. So this is called a proportional relationship. A specific shade of orange paint calls for 2 parts of yellow and 3 parts of red. Katie uses 3 cups of yellow paint and 4 cups of red paint to make the orange paint. Is the ratio proportional or not? First one is 2:3, the second one is 3:4. Both of them are already in the simplest form, but if you observe, they are not same. The ratios are not same, so it is not a proportional relationship. A saltwater solution for an aquarium calls for 35 parts salt to 1000 parts of water. Tariq uses 3 tablespoons of salt and 200 tablespoons of water. Is the ratio same? One ratio is 7:200. Another one is 35 and 1000. If you observe, we can divide it with 5 and 5. It will give us 7:200. Both of them are same, so this is called a proportional relationship. A belt moves at a constant rate of 12 feet in 3 seconds. A second conveyor belt moves 16 feet in 4 seconds. We have two ratios. Again, we will write both of them in the simplest form. We can see that this both are divisible by 3. It will give us 4:1. Here we see that both of them are divisible by 4, so it will give you 4:1. Both of them are same, so this is called a proportional relationship. A tectonic plate in Earth's crust moves at a constant rate of 4 centimeters per hour. In a different part of the world, another tectonic plate moves at a constant rate of 30 centimeters in 10 hours. One ratio is 4:1, another is 30:10. So if you observe, we can cancel this 0 with this 0. It is 3:1, 3:1 and 4:1 are not similar. So it is not a proportional relationship. 4:3 and 3:1 are not same, so it is not a proportional relationship. A strand of hair grows at a constant rate of 1/2 inch per month. A different strand of hair grows at a constant rate of 4 inches per year. Now it says that per year, we know that 1 year has 12 months. So one ratio is 1/2 ratio in 1. Another one is 4:12. If we divide it with 4 and 4, it gives us 1:3. But this is per month. Okay, per month mean 1 month. We have to convert the second one with 1, so it means we will again divide it with 3 and 3. It will give us 1/3:1. So one of the strands says that 1/2 inch per month. Another strand says that 1/3 inch per month. Both of them are not similar, so the ratios are not proportional. In another case, if you are confused to get this form, still 1/2:1 and 1:3 are not same, so directly you can say the ratios are not proportional. One blend of a garden soil is 1 part mineral, 1 part peat moss and 2 parts of compost. Select all the mixture which are in same proportional relationship. So first of all, we will see what proportional relationship is given 1:1 and then 2. So this is 5, 5 and 10. So 5 one time is 5, 5 one time is 5, 5 two times 10. So this is correct. Then 10, 15, 15. So if I convert it, I divide it with 2. 5, it will give me 2, 3, 3. So no. Here 12, 12, 24. 12 one times, 12 one times, 12 two times. So if you see here, it is yes, 1, 1, 2. Now 20, 20, 40. It is also a yes. It is 1, 1, 2. Here 100, 100, 200. Again a yes. 1, 1, 2. Here 50, 50, 50 means 1, 1 and 1. So how many of them are correct? The first one, 12, 12 and 24, 20, 20, 40, 100, 100, 200. All these options are correct.